Welcome to the CAC series on animal behavior. This is the chapter on social living. Think about the number of different people we interact with throughout any given day. We certainly are a very social species. Can you think of any other species that live in social groups? There definitely are a lot to choose from. The simplest or most basic social groups consist of a mother and offspring, and sometimes the father as well. Larger social groups may include multiple generations of offspring. Different species in the dog family are a great representation of the varying levels of sociality. For instance, red foxes form monogamous pair bonds. The two raise their offspring, or kits, and then when the kits are a year old, they disperse. Coyotes and jackals also form pair bonds, but offspring stay with their parents for 2 years and help to raise the next year's offspring. Wolves form even larger social groups, with offspring staying in the group for 2 to 3 years, helping to raise each year's pups, before eventually dispersing. Wolf packs are known to have complex social relationships and excellent skills as cooperative hunters. Arguably the most social member of the dog family is the African wild dog. This species also cooperatively hunts and can be found in groups of up to 30 individuals. Again, most of the group members are the offspring of one breeding pair, the alpha male and female of the group. We can assume that living in social groups would have some sort of cost, since many species are solitary, not social. Some costs of social living include: larger groups may be more visible to predators, parasites and diseases can spread more easily, and competition among group members for food and mates. Nevertheless, for social species, the benefits of social living must outweigh these costs. These benefits include cooperative care of young, more efficient foraging through the ability to find more food as a group, protection from predators, and the ability to take down larger prey through cooperative hunting. Some social species, such as chimpanzees and African elephants, are considered fission-fusion societies. Fission refers to breaking apart, and fusion refers to joining together. In fission-fusion societies, the animals may form larger groups at certain times, fusion, and break into smaller groups at other times, fission. Fusion usually occurs when resources are abundant, and fission usually occurs when resources are scarce. In this way, fission-fusion societies represent a balance between the benefits of social living and the possibility that food is too scarce to support a large group. This is just one way that some species balance the benefits and costs of social living. As a social species, we have an idea of how complicated living with others can be. Even though these examples just barely scratch the surface of sociality, we can already begin to see that living with others is even more complicated than we thought, and has significant costs and benefits for survival.